Hi, Zach. Here is your spelling for the week. Our focus for the week is the J sound. And you will notice the J sound sometimes is produced by just by the letter G by itself. Sometimes it is produced by a G E next to each other, where when you hear the J sound, the E automatically becomes silent. Sometimes the J sound is produced by the letters D, G, E together. Okay, so let's go through those words. Remember, you must be able to sound them out as well as be able to spell them. I don't know if we'll be able to do both in this video, but let's start with the sounds. St, age, stage. Age, page. Large, large. Sixteen, 16. Badge, badge. Fridge, fridge. Fudge, fudge. Orange, orange. Strange, strange. Sponge, sponge. The letter O in the word sponge does not sound like O, neither does it sound like O. It's not a sponge and it's not a sponge. It's a sponge. So that's why we have the double line there to indicate that the letter O is making a different sound from what it usually should. Okay? A, T, E, N, 18. Silent G, silent H. H, E, J, hedge. D, O, J, dodge. S, M, A, J, smudge. N, I, N, T, E, N, 19. Fringe, fringe. Ledge, ledge. Garage, garage. Twenty, 20. And then you need to be able to spell each word. Stage, stage. Page, page. Large, large.